Hi everyone, on this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to fix the issue of skipping stitches. Now if your sewing machine suddenly starts to skip stitches, check if the needle is properly inserted, because you need the needle to be properly inserted. After inserting the needle, make sure you push it upwards to the uppermost end of the needle bushing, and make sure the needle is not bent and its point is not too blunt. And also check that the pressure foot is properly fastened and that the needle clamp screw is properly tightened as well. And also make sure that the thread used is not too coarse for the needle. And ultimately make sure that the needle is properly inserted with the side with the groove facing the left side and the flat side of the needle facing the balance wheel. Then right after that, come to the face. Now using a screwdriver, loose this face cover screw and then pop out this face cover. The face cover, this is the face cover. Now this is the needle rod. Now watch what happens as I roll the balance wheel towards me. Pay attention. Now this is the needle rod. Now this needle rod can be adjusted in such a way that the timing of the machine can be corrected. Now what I mean is that, now as you can see, there is a hole here. Now this is where you tighten and loosen the needle rod screw. That is the needle rod adjustment screw. So you have to turn the balance wheel until this point right here, because this is where the screw holding the needle rod is. So all you have to do now is turn the balance wheel towards you until until you completely block that hole. Now let me show you something real quick. Pull open the latches. And take off the shutter face cover. And then take off the belt. Alright, let me show you what perfect timing is. Now this is the shutter race, okay? And this is the shutter hook. This is the hook that picks the thread from the needle. Now when this hook is too blunt, it will not be able to pick the thread from the needle, and that can also lead to skipping of stitches. Okay, Now let me show you something real quick. Now this is what perfect timing is. I'm just going to insert the shutter race like so without the shutter back, so that you can be able to see how the shuttle hook picks the thread from the needle. And the shuttle hook is only able to pick the thread from the needle when the setting is perfectly timed. Okay, now this is what perfect timing is. Just watch how the needle goes up and down, and then the shuttle race back and forth to pick the thread from the needle. Now watch closely. Okay, not yet picked. Now the forward movement is just going to pick the thread. You see? Now this is perfect timing. If you notice that the shuttle hook passes immediately after the eye of the needle. I mean the top of the needle. It is not passing the bottom of the eye. Instead, it is passing immediately after the top of the eye of the needle, you see? So it is not too up, not too down. Had it been like it was passing below the eye of the needle, then it will never be able to pick the thread. And if it is passing too high up, sometimes it's going to pick the thread and sometimes it's not going to pick the thread. What I mean is that if the shuttle hook is too blunt, sometimes it might not be able to pick the thread, even if the timing is correct. So this is perfect timing. Okay? So this is how you need your timing to be set. So that is why you need to keep adjusting the needle rod until you achieve that perfect timing. Then after the adjustments, insert back your shuttle race back cover. And pull on both latches to hold it in place. Okay, and then also insert a bobbin, because we're about to see if our timing is set. Now close on the slide, and then the face cover. And tighten back the screw. Now we try the sewing machine.